In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer ownership of Telegram group. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that I'm doing the process on my Samsung Android, but it's the same process if you are using iPhone or any other Android. What you need to do is find the group that you want to transfer the ownership, okay? And click on the top, on the name of the group. You will see several options. You need to click on this pencil right here. You will come to this page, okay? You need to swipe down and find administrators right here. So select administrators and you need to click add admin and select any member, the member that you want to transfer the ownership. In my case, in my group, there is only me, okay? But in your case, you need to select the person that you want to transfer the ownership. Then you need to add the admin, add this person as admin, and then you need to quit of the group, okay? If you want to transfer ownership. Or you can just add the person as admin and continue on the group. I hope I helped you how to transfer ownership of Telegram group. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.